All right, so let's cure this one for 60 seconds under really
Just good.
good lamps, like under a proper
Just full
LED
power
lamps, a full power of your LED lamp. It's not only the single, or it's not like travel, or once I have to move.
I know, let me get this thing out.
Oh, thank you so much, Sarisa.
You cannot move that down.
Why you also OCD?
Because you move it down, you drag the whole thing down with you.
No, I don't care. Okay, so in the meantime, we're gonna do precision glue for that one. Can you give me that nails? Or, because I can't sit still, everyone, be honest, I am not going to lie to you at all. Okay, so our precision glue top cap, I take off, it will take us to our needles parts, which is gonna get all of edges. I am checking around with my chains and all different the edges, gaps and cracks of of the crystal. I mean, like Diamond Dust, Pixie, and Charm and Chain. So I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. In the meantime, I am going to do this look. Is that the right look? Is it upside down?
I keep falling. Just give it a try.
Give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
Because I keep like falling. You make sure you go into not like the wrong side. Like sometimes I got accident, I got it to the other side.
Mm-hmm. But some of these colors super bling out. It's a little bit hard to tell.
Because usually I leave it alone in that tray, and then I just cut it out, and I know that my side that I need to lace on the nails, and sometimes if I cut it first and then it's falling down apart, and then
And probably like at the end you can tell people how to like just pricing.
the Lisa, hello, how are you, Lisa? Live Ras, this box is number 41.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got it right.
I'm like nervous because it's always work. It's only it's not working if I put it upside down. It's so hilarious. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Is that beautiful? It's come off. Everything. So this basically I think is one side is really shiny, the other's one is matte. And then if I drop it off, I didn't know if I'm doing it right. How beautiful it is. You can do it, leave it alone like this.
Well, you got some flour, now you gotta decor it.
I have decor that. How difficult is that to decor these beautiful flowers?
Big stone right in the middle.
We just let Hill running live stream. I
Right?
think.
Someday you will
Hi
see that
Eric,
live
how
stream.
are you, love? All right, so I'm gonna using condensed glue gel, and I just finished with using. If any of you have a questions for the chamfer foil gel, I using this chamfer foil gel, which is IHO chamfer foil gels, and then the fancier bottle is for premiums IHO chamfer foil gel. So with this you cure 30 seconds, and then with the white bottle you cure for 60 seconds under really full cure lamp. Not your travel lamps, not like tiny little lamps. It's not gonna have a full power of curing your chamfer foil gel. So I just, you know, chamfer this whole image to the nails right here. So if you like this, you don't have to do anything. Just top coat and cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. But now we're gonna dress it up a little bit. So maybe we'll put some red crystals and stuff in there. So then it's fun for July 4. I am going to apply my condensed glue gels, And if for first time, if you using our condensed glue gel, it is normal to feel like really thick density. It doesn't like looks like runny at all. It's like really thick. So just blend it, and you don't need a whole lot. If you feel like you make sure that it's surface like you apply the top coat. If it's too thin, the crystal is not gonna stay, or it's too thick, it's gonna flood up your crystal. So you don't want, give it a couple times when you're playing with this. You can get an idea of how much you should put it on. And then I'm gonna put the no wipe top coat. I need another bottle. Floating on the top of the nails, I mean the condensed glue gel. I need like more
You do white, you clear.
no, I need this smaller side.
There we go.
My picker. All right.
So just put this one on there first. See what the thing
I need smaller, tiny one. You see, I prep so well, and I still end up with something else. Excuse me. Oh, here you go. Oh, I got an idea. I am going to use this kit, which is a glitter anniversary. I'm going to using that colors, the red colors. We'll see how it's going to take us, everyone. I'm not afraid to challenge and try something else. So, okay, so I prepared everything, but then I always come up with something else. I don't know, have you ever have that? It's happened to me and the clients all the time. They come in with the really beautiful picture they have in their mind. They walk out with totally a different set of nails. And even better. It's so much better and beautiful than they asked for. So I would tell them, you be careful what you ask for. It's gonna even better. All right, so I think I'm good. I'm gonna get that one. And I'm gonna use my dragon scale. And I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, I might taking. All right. Move that collections away. Do you want me to share with you something? Do you know that when we first start with Glitz accessory and such, for people got to know a Glitz name so much because we was on the fields with a lot of different trade show, which shows a lot of nail techs, different techniques and beautiful of the way you do dragon scalp beside crystals, and everybody's so in love with this. And then we keep caring and training so many nail tech. If you try this, you'll be addicted to this. I really love this, and my clients love this one as well.
So now by normal, just make sure you rub it thoroughly. So when you have the foil on, make sure you rub it really nice.
Yep. So
usually it doesn't transfer completely because you don't have enough pressure on wherever it doesn't transfer. Just make sure you rub it nice.
And then just when you apply it and you key it, when it just get out from the lamp, you want to make sure you rub it right away. You don't want to do, like say if you have 10 nails, you want to do 2 nails at a time. You don't want to do all 10 nails applies on it. Just want to do the same as the chromes. After you key it, you want to apply your chromes right away. Same thing with chamfer foil. It works the best when it just came out from your LED lamp. Here you go, your dragon scale. Let me dress this one up. I want to dress this one up. That's that. I'm using SS4. Come in the Scarlet mix.
Grab this thing right. You good? Keep going.
I would think I'm gonna put some beads on it to like have oh, what happened? I did accidentally spill things in my, why the hearts go in there. Put that beads in between the crystals. You know, 1 hour back then, I was really afraid of like to put crystal like together and afraid it's gonna catching on the hair or the clothes or anything the clients wear or even myself. So I'm really heritage is like to not put anything on. I was really simple, like maybe 1 or 2 stone. Now I do not afraid of anymore because I'm using condensed glue gels and no white top coats is one of the first and second step of the 3-step methods. And I'm using condensed glue gels, no white top coat, and then after that I'm using precision glue. It's set for my clients' crystal placement, and I feel so much better. And they've come back, and after 4 weeks, the crystal is still there. Well, we have to take them off for doing a new one, but it's not come off during the time that they're wearing it, like 4 weeks. So I feel like I need some separations of that. The scarlet red right there to make it look.
Yes, new now this one is from box 41.
Hi Luna. Yeah, I think I'm still missing something now.
Oh no, you're fine. I don't know if you can actually see the foil in the behind back there no more.
You can still see the foil, right? Did you?
Yeah, show me this one here.
All right.
Lower.